Hello guys, in few minutes I will be showing you how you can create this glassy type of glassy test effect using your PixelLab. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. If you are new to the channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you share this video at the end of this video because you'll be getting a lot of valuable video. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So number one, let me delete this and let's start from afresh. So the number one thing you need to do when you want to create a graphic effect is to bring in your text like this. So let me just write the text. Let me just write glass. All right, let's write glassy. Go glassy. Let me just put it like that. I call it glassy effect. Okay, so this is it right over here now. So you select your font. You select what kind of font you want to use. So let me see a font that I can use over here now. So let me see if we can go with this. Okay, we can go with this guy right over here now. So increase the size like this so we can be, I can see, let me increase the size. So when you get to this stage now, so let me delete the space at the beginning. So when you get to this stage now, with the next thing you need to do still on that test is to go over to your color. Go over to color. So when you get to that color, don't select any color. Instead click on this plus button icon and bring this last slider to the extreme. So we want to make the color transparent, so you bring the last color to the extreme like this, click on OK, and you have something like this now. After you have this now, go over to stroke like this now, select a stroke like this. So let's take the stroke to the extreme. So increase the stroke to, let's say, one like this. Okay, leave the stroke at one like this. When you leave it at one, go over to inner shadow, and you select a white color just like this. Select a white color like this, and you can increase or try to know make you inner shadow a little bit. Let's take it to something like 8. Okay, this 8 is okay. So increase the offset x to like 3 or 2, and white to something like, can you see that it is bringing out that glassy, touch of a thing from it now. So after you have done with this now, the next thing you need to go is to go over to this 3D text, go over to this 3D text, enable it, and okay, enable it like this. Leave it at this oblique and to reduce the depth to 1 like this. So now go over to oblique angle. So just leave this oblique angle, try to rotate it, but we are not using this. So go over to this light angle now. This light angle, try to increase the light angle. I'm sorry, let me increase this depth to something like this now. Okay, sorry, we don't need this light angle. So just give it intensity a little bit, make the intensity high, increase the intensity, and done. We have this now. So leave this like this now. Okay, we have this now. So after you are done with this, let's see what we can do with oblique. We can't use this guy, so let's cancel this guy over here now. So after we have this now, go over to reflection, and you will have something like this. So when you go over to reflection, it will make it even more glassier when you use this reflection on it. So let's go back to that glassy reflection again. So let's make it closer, so as if it's touching it. So we have this right over here, and can you see what we have over here now? Can you see that we have created something glassy like this? So now let me go over to shadow and just enable the shadow a little bit. So the opacity, you need to take the opacity and the offset, this offset like this. So increase the opacity a little bit and try to bring the offset a little bit outside. So if we can make it more realistic, just take it a little bit outside like this, and we have this route now. So this is how you can create a glassy text effect. You can use it for any background. Let me see if we can use it for any other, let's see if we ask, can you say no, we can't use it on this now. So can you see, if you use blue, it looks glassy now. If you use red, if you use white. So this is how you can create this amazing glassy effect using PixelLab right now. So if you find this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to your creative friends. Thank you for watching this video. See you at the next video.